Oh shit, I just dropped the thing. Ugh. So I've been banished to this corner where I have a stool now, where I can microwave things. We're gonna microwave çೞૈ baba. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, the bubblegum tape thing, because I want to see what's gonna happen. So let's pretend. But I think we should open it. How do you open this? Hold on. Let's put this down like this. Open. Oh, I need a trash can. Open. Oh my god, this is so hard. Why do they make it so difficult? Jesus. Okay, so where's the end of? This is like ridiculous gum. Okay, so we're gonna do it like that, right? Come here, camera. So we're gonna put it like that. And someone's coming outside again. Like that, there. Pretty, right? Pretty. So we're gonna shut the door, and we're gonna go 5, 0, 0, and then we're gonna go start, okay. So, I don't know what's going on with this gum, but it doesn't look like anything's on fire. But it sure is smoky. The hecka, I don't know, it's like hecka smoky. Can you see all that smoke? I don't know how to freaking, it's really hard to get smoke to record. The hecka smells like the bubblegum though. I don't know why it has all this smoke though. Okay, so let's see what happened. Freaking oh shit! Oh fuck! Damn it! This is only the second thing I've microwaved. Fuck! What is that? No, my god! Hold on, I gotta get something to poke it with. Okay, let's use all these pins that are all. Oh shit! God damn it! This better not ruin my new microwave plate. Oh shit! No, let's go like that. It's like, oh man. I don't know, is that hot? It's kind of, oh yeah, that's hella hot, don't touch that. Plastic thing's all melted. Fuck. Damn it! Damn it! Oh shit, no. I wasn't expecting it to get like all gross like that. Man. Okay, so don't microwave bubblegum, because I don't think it caught on fire though. At least it didn't see. I don't know, I can't see through the screen as good as the other one. I wonder if I can take the door off this one and put it on my old one. Oh, that's a good idea. Gotta see how to take the door off. So yeah. I don't even know. Second time using my new microwave, and I think I already broke the plate. I don't know, maybe if I soak it in hot water it'll work. Maybe. I don't know. So now I'm gonna go find some other things to microwave. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.